That's kookaburra actually. Kookaburra sit on the old gum tree. No, I can't find any. Hey, come on. Maybe 2 or 3 more. That'd be nice. You know why? Because the water level is too high, so they are somewhere down. Yeah, I got another one. Yep. Ooh, another big one. This is huge. It is huge. So far I got this big one. Some kind of frog, so loud. One big one. One big one. Yeah. One big one. Ooh, I got quite a few. So, you know, when people are surviving in the jungle, there's always ways. There's always ways to find food, you know. As long as you try, don't give up. Continue. You'll get there. You'll find, you know. That's the sound of frog. So we're gonna cook this today. So ramen, Shin Ramyun. I know this is very, very hot, but I'm gonna have it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna boil the clams. I think I'm just gonna use the water from the river, as usual. Whoa! Okay, this will take no time to boil. So I might not take all of this. This is quite a lot actually. I'll take only the big ones. I'm gonna let this one go. Okay, the water is gonna boil now. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. One. Yep, yes, it's already open. See, it's already open. Yeah, this is also open. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, all I need to do is just open it up like that. See, it's done. Huge actually. I wonder if there is any pearl, you know. It's beautiful meat. This is beautiful meat. Oh, look at that. Yeah, see? It's beautiful. Yeah. Ooh, hot. Nice. Very nice. Now I'm going to boil some water to make some coffee. I'm at my usual place, my cooking place. Look at that. I just love come here and cook all by myself. And it's very nice today. The sky is a beautiful sky. Look at that. Look, that's actually frog. A small little stream. My place, my beautiful place, and I really enjoy coming here. Get a coffee bag in there. Yeah, that's done. Oh, that's a bit too much. I have tomato and fish ball and an egg and cucumber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil some water. Okay, this will boil in no time actually. All by myself. I really enjoy being here. Look at that. Just beautiful, really. See, the only ripple I have is for myself. The reflection is just beautiful. So beautiful. So it comes with some dry vegetable and soup powder. And this is very spicy. So I'm not sure whether I should put the whole thing. I think I should. Why not? I hope it fits. Oh, it doesn't fit. Never mind. Try. We'll try. I'll put everything in at the same time. I don't really care. Oh, there's something underneath me. There's something traveling underneath me. Could be eels actually. They smell that thing that I throw. Okay, I put some dry vegetable. Just let it cook. Let me just turn this so that that helps. Okay, now is to let it cook. Okay, it's boiling very well now. Okay, this noodle take quite a while to cook actually, I remember. Let it simmer for a while before I put the rest fish ball. Let's taste it. See how it is. Oh man, that's hot. Really hot actually. I'm gonna try one of the noodles, see whether it's cooked. That's what you do. You take a piece, and small piece, and try it. See whether it's cooked. If not, just let it go. Let it cook another 1 or 2 more minutes. You know what? I'm happy with this. So I'm going to reduce it. Okay, I'm going to put the clam in. And then I'm going to drop in an egg. Drop in an egg to get it. Wow. Okay, just to cover the egg. That's perfect. I don't want the egg to be overcooked. Just leave it like that. I don't even have to cook it actually. Just let it be there. There it is, yeah. And then I'm gonna slice tomato. Yeah. Okay, cucumber, and we are done. I think I can off it already. Okay, let's eat. Oh, this looks good. I need a bigger spoon. That is how big it is. So yeah, let's try it out. A little bit of sauce. That's wonderful. That's nice. Okay, we're home. A bit against the wind, but you know, good. Good exercise. Again, I like to go by the reeds. Let's go by the shallow place.